color accuracy for your photo and video editing is essential. If you don't have the right monitor, your photos and videos may not look the way you want them to look. But which monitor is right for you? In this video, we'll break down the top 3 monitors for photo and video editing on the market this year based on price versus performance and situations they'll be used in. So whether you're looking for something for casual video editing, professional photo retouching, or anything in between, stay tuned. We'll have the perfect option for you. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. The products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end so you don't miss anything. First up, the BenQ PD3220U, our pick for best monitor for editing for most people. There are differences in what photo and video editors want from a pro-level monitor, but the BenQ PD3220U offers a sweet spot for both and delivers exceptional value for money when it comes to performance versus price. If you're considering stepping up to a 4K resolution photo monitor or just need a larger color-accurate display for editing video, the BenQ PD3220U would definitely fit the bill nicely and has a number of features that focus on both photo and video editing. In fact, the PD3220U comes factory calibrated for image editing. Video editors and graphic designers alike will find the 31.5-inch IPS panel, 3840 by 2160 resolution, and 140 ppi pixel density provide fine detailing, even at a comfortable viewing distance. Color accuracy is excellent, covering 100% of the sRGB color space and 95% of the DCI-P3 gamut. Further color space modes include Rec 709, along with an HDR, CAD-CAM, animation, and darkroom modes, all with 10-bit per channel color. Speaking of HDR, the PD3220U has HDR10 content support, which really means that while it isn't true HDR capability, you could still view HDR with correct colors, which is very useful from a content creation perspective. A pair of Thunderbolt 3 ports lets you daisy-chain another monitor, allowing you to drive 2 monitors with a single cable from your Mac or PC. A KVM switch is included, which is handy for sharing the PD3220U across 2 machines, and BenQ's Hotkey Puck allows quick jumping between color spaces and other presets. If you're looking for a professional photo and video editing monitor that strikes the right balance between price and performance, you really can't go wrong with the BenQ PD3220U. While there are cheaper 4K 32-inch monitors on the market, you won't get the same features, performance, and quality that's offered by the PD3220U. Next up, the Dell UltraSharp U2720Q, our pick for best monitor for editing for the money. With gorgeous image quality, excellent color accuracy, good range of ports, and a flexible design, the Dell UltraSharp U2720Q is a great value. The U2720Q features a 27-inch flat IPS panel with a 4K resolution of 3840 by 2160 pixels at a 16:9 widescreen aspect ratio. Pixel density at 163 ppi is a bit higher than the BenQ PD3220U's 140 ppi, offering slightly better sharpness and detail. The panel is set in a cabinet that is black in front and gray and black in the back. It has very thin bezels at the top and sides and is well equipped ergonomically, with up to 5.1 inches of height adjustment, a tilt range from 5 degrees downward to 21 degrees upward, swivel control of up to 45 degrees to either side, and it has the ability to pivot 90 degrees from landscape to portrait in either direction. The U2720Q's port selection includes 1 HDMI port, 1 DisplayPort connector, 2 USB-C ports, a hub of 3 USB Type-A ports, and an audio out jack. 1 USB-C and 1 USB Type-A port are easily accessible on the left side, and even the downward-facing ports in the back are not hard to reach. Like the BenQ PD3220U, color accuracy is excellent, covering 99% of the sRGB color space. It also has a VESA Display HDR rating of 400 and has several HDR settings, including Display HDR, Movie HDR, and Game HDR. Both still images and video are handled well. In addition to being accurate, colors are bright and vibrant, as is video with Movie HDR enabled. If you're shopping for a monitor specifically for photo or video editing, the Dell UltraSharp U2720Q is a very good choice and will give you the most for your money. You'll get good performance and color accuracy and flexible ergonomics that will keep you working accurately and comfortably. Last but not least, the BenQ SW321C, our pick for best overall monitor for editing. The BenQ SW321C is a superb monitor for image and video editing. Its near-faultless image quality offers wide color space coverage and exceptionally accurate color reproduction. The SW321C stand allows for 150 mm of height adjustment, 5 to 20 degrees of tilt, 45 degrees of left-right swivel, and 90 degrees of pivot adjustment to switch orientation. Also included in the box, and unique among the monitors we've seen so far, is a very well-made 5-piece modular hood to surround the screen to prevent glare and reflections. Just like the BenQ PD3220U, this monitor comes with the hotkey puck, a wired remote control that lets you switch between input sources, presets, and settings. Connectivity options include HDMI and DisplayPort connectors behind the monitor, as well as a USB-C port supporting Thunderbolt 3. This allows video, data, and power to be transmitted over a single cable. The core of the SW321C is a 32-inch 4K IPS display with a native resolution of 3840 by 2160 pixels. The 137 ppi is the lowest among the monitors we've looked at so far, but is still crisp and offers good detail. This 10-bit display boasts excellent color space coverage, representing 100% of the sRGB, 99% of the Adobe RGB, and 95% of the DCI-P3 color gamuts. Like the BenQ PD3220U, this monitor is factory calibrated to ensure color accuracy, and incorporates hardware calibration using an external colorimeter to keep it performing perfectly. Another professional feature is Paper Color Sync. This enables you to choose the color gamut, printer model, and paper you're working with, then the monitor adjusts its color to match what you'll see in print. If your focus is photo editing, the combined color accuracy, features, and the included monitor hood make the BenQ SW321C a superb choice. You'll also benefit from the high-quality adjustable stand and hotkey puck remote control that further add to the overall value of this monitor. If you guys like this video or this video helped you, please give the video a like. Links to all the products mentioned are in the description below. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button to keep up to date on the latest and greatest in tech. Till next time, I'll see you guys later.